We can now start our assembly. Slide the crank back into the block. Oil the cylinder and the ring compressor when installing. Make sure the ring compressor is seated against the block and tap the piston in. Oil the rod bearing and install the rod cap using the torque method as before. You can see the small windage tray is in our way of our rod bolts. You can break this off with a set of pliers or use a Dremel to remove this. Install the cam followers and cam by lining up the dots on the cam and the crankshaft.